In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project blueprint using Wrike. For those of you who might not be familiar with Wrike, it's a powerful project management tool that lets you streamline workflows and collaborate effectively within your team. By the end of this video, you'll be well versed in setting up a blueprint to ensure your project tasks are organized and actionable. Let's start by opening Wrike in Google Chrome. It's always best to use Chrome or another modern browser to get the most out of Wrike's interface and functionalities. Once you're logged into your Wrike account, head over to the Templates section. Templates in Wrike act as your project framework, providing a pre-structured way to plan and execute projects. Now, select Create Blueprint. A blueprint in Wrike is somewhat like a master copy of your project plan. It's where you can define your project structure and save it for reusability in future projects, a real-time saver that ensures consistency across your work. With your new blueprint ready, it's time to outline your workflow steps and dependencies. Workflows in Wrike are a sequential order of steps that tasks go through from start to finish. Take a moment to think about the natural progression your tasks usually take. For instance, does one task need to be completed before another can begin? These task dependencies are crucial as they maintain order and prioritize your schedule. Clearly defining these steps in your blueprint ensures that when you launch your project, everyone knows exactly when and how their contributions fit in. Next, let's enhance your blueprint by adding custom fields and assigning roles. Custom fields are essentially specific data points that are unique to your business needs but not standard in Wrike. These might include budgets, estimated hours, or priority levels. Adding these fields to your blueprint means that all your team members have the contextual information they need right at their fingertips. When it comes to assigning roles, make sure the right person is responsible for each task, keeping accountability clear and communication smooth. Once you have everything set up, your workflow steps, task dependencies, custom fields, and roles, it's time to save and apply the blueprint to your projects. Saving the blueprint is simple. Just ensure everything is to your satisfaction and then click the save option. Applying it is equally straightforward. As new projects are started, you can select your blueprint and everything is good to go, already structured and ready for your team to dive into. By setting up a detailed project blueprint in Wrike, you'll not only save time but also empower your team to deliver with precision. With the consistent structure and clear guidelines in place, navigating complex projects becomes much easier and more efficient. Remember, the time you invest in creating your blueprint will lead to smoother sailing down the road, so don't rush the process. Thanks for tuning in and happy project planning.